यू एन्जॉयिंग हॉलिडेज? कसं काय, मस्त चाललंय ना? सो ॲट द सेम टाइम यू हॅव टू स्टडी स्कॉलरशिप. सो in scholarship exam 30% questions are based on application level, that is D level. One question is a combination of two or more properties, or it is based on the properties which you have studied before. So these the such type of questions are called as application level questions. So today we'll see some important properties and question based on those properties. All you know very important properties of triangle. So first important property of triangle here, measures of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So this is important property of triangle. So you have given, suppose you have given two angles of triangle, you have to find remaining angle of triangle. Now important part of this is types of triangle. Based on sides there are three types of triangle. One is equilateral triangle, second is isosceles, third one is scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. If this is 3, then 3, 3, all three sides are equal. Second type of triangle based on sides is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle only two sides are congruent. Third type of triangle is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle no two sides are equal, means three sides are having different lengths. So based on sides there are three types of triangle. Next one, based on angles. So there are again three types based on angles: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle. Acute angle triangle, it has one angle or three angles, they are less than 90. So acute angle triangle has each angle less than 90 degree. In obtuse angle triangle, if you will observe this angle, you can find this angle is greater than 90. So one angle from obtuse angle triangle is bigger than 90. Then what can you say about remaining two? So remaining two angles are acute, but one angle is obtuse. Therefore this triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. Then third type is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle one angle is right angle, remaining two angles are acute angle. So side opposite to right angle is always, it is called as hypotenuse. So this is the type of, these are the types of triangle based on sides as well as angle. Now next part is angles in a linear pair. You see here I have drawn two angles. So this is one angle, this is another angle. I have given name this angle as angle A and this angle is angle B. So what is important property of angles in a linear pair? Sum of measures of angles in a linear pair is always equal to 180. So measure of angles in a linear pair is always equal to 180. Next important property is exterior angles of a triangle. Now here I have drawn this triangle. Three angles are there, A, B, C, and this is the exterior angle. So important thing is that this exterior angle form linear pair with interior angle of triangle. So linear pair we have studied, means sum of angles in a linear pair is 180. Similarly here the exterior angle, it is always in a linear pair with interior angle of a triangle. So here this is the x is the angle, x is the exterior angle of a triangle. And important property of this exterior angle means you will find that angle x is equal to always b plus c, angle b plus angle c. Means suppose you have angle x is 120 degree, So sum of B plus C always 120. Suppose you are given angle B is I will give you 50. You can find easily angle C. So what is the value of angle C? So angle C is equal to 120 minus 50. So it is equal to 70. So angle C is 70. So you can find interior angle, measure of. So measure of exterior angle is always equal to sum of remote interior. So these angles are called as remote interiors, these two. And this is the exterior angle, it is the adjacent interior angle. But these two angles, B and angle C, are the remote interior angle of this exterior angle. So based on this, we have to see examples which were asked in a scholarship exam. So here this is the example which was asked in scholarship exam 2017. So the measure of, you read this example, the measure of exterior angles of a triangle are 140 degree and 130 degree respectively. Which type of triangle is it? So for that we have studied properties here, exterior angle property, then types of triangle we have studied. So all this we have to use here. So therefore these questions are called as application layer. So I will draw diagram first. With the help of this you can give answer, or directly there are some students they can write the answer. See, so I will draw diagram here. One exterior angle is, it is equal to 140 degree. Here I will draw, this is so I will draw diagram. One is 140 degree, another is 130. So immediately you can find interior angles, here. If this is, these two angles are, here I will write A angle, A plus 130, always they are in a linear pair, it is equal to 180. So find A is equal to how much? 180 minus 130. So this will be 50. A you got 50. Here you find B and this angle is in linear pair. So you can find angle B plus 140 is equal to 180. So B is equal to 180 minus 140 means B is equal to 40. So you got A, you got B. So in a triangle, I will draw diagram of triangle. So here in this triangle, if we will see, one angle is 50, another angle is 40. You can find this angle, remaining angle. We have studied property, sum of three angles is 180. I will write this angle as a C. So A plus B plus C always equal to 180. Now A value 50, B value 40. What is value of C? So this is 90 is equal to 180. Therefore C angle is 90. So you have to observe this value: 90 degree, 50 degree and 40 degree. So you will find that one angle of triangle is 90 degree. So we have studied, if one angle of triangle is 90 degree, then that triangle is called as right angled triangle. So right angle only or right angle triangle. So here you see the options: acute angle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. So the answer is, it is a right angle triangle. So this is about the, here the example which we solved, this example was asked in scholarship exam. So here we have used many properties. Which properties? One property is sum of measures of all angles of triangle is 180. This property we use, that property already we have studied here. Measure of all angles of triangle is 180. So this property we have used. Then next one we have used the property exterior angle property. Exterior angle property we have used. This exterior angles of triangle property. Here there are two exterior angles. One is 140 and another is 130. So there are two exterior angles are given. Then next one, third property which we use is if one angle of triangle is 90 degree. If one angle of triangle is 90 degree, that triangle is called as right angle triangle. So in this way we can solve